Good afternoon. I hope everybody is doing well. My name is Dr. Cheryl Lynn Duckworth. I'm here at Nova Southeastern University in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Looking very much forward to joining you all in August as an invited keynote speaker. My topic is going to be on the role of schools and education in engendering and fostering, encouraging a global culture of peace. I had a wonderful experience back in 2019 as a keynote speaker, where I spoke on sort of a similar topic. I looked at some of the particular approaches teachers were taking to peace education in their classrooms. Um, it was a wonderful conference, very scholarly, very energetic, very welcoming, and so I look forward to joining you all again this August. Again, I will be this time focusing specifically on what actually works in classrooms. We've got a decent amount of literature, which is very exciting, some good research at this point on what actually works in classrooms when it comes to fostering a culture of peace, both in on schools, campuses, universities, but also in communities and societies. And so I am very excited to be joining you all. I hope all of you, as my colleagues, will join me. Really encourage you to come. It was a very, very rewarding professional experience. And so thank you to everybody at GTAR and DCBSS, and I look forward to seeing you in August.